Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Laurel and today I thought we would use this bead mold again, and I'm going to use the faceted side this time. And I'm just going to use the small mold and we're going to make a necklace. So I have a sterling silver chain, and it's actually one of those rope chains. We're going to use metallic silver mica powder, of course, UV resin, and I have these little bits and bob beads here, and here's the spacers I'm going to use. Either those or those. I haven't quite decided yet. So I'll just set those actually aside, and this, and then we'll just get started right away because this is an easy to make necklace. And you don't have to use the sterling silver. You can use whatever chain you have. That would be fine. Or you could probably use a leather cord. That would be great too. So I'm just gonna, oh, not even open. As you can see, that's brand new. So let me just get this open. Set that aside. All right, let's just get a little bit. I've never used this before, so we're both going to see how this works today. All right, and then I'm just going to clean that off with a baby wipe. Make sure it doesn't get all over my hands. And mix it up. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Oh my gosh. It actually looks like melted silver. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gonna be gorgeous. Alright, and I should get all the bubbles out first because I don't want the bubbles to go into the mold. So I'm going to use my heat gun. Sorry for the noise. All right. Let's see, the faceted side we need today. So I'm just going to open it up a little to the side and then start pouring. And I'm doing it little by little because I want to make sure that it gets in there. All right, so we got a little overfill, so we can just wipe that right off. Okay. Let me close this up so we don't have any accidents with that. Let's see. Okay, so I just want to open it up, so I'm just pulling it a little to the side. So this is the same mold that we used last week for the bracelet when I painted the beads. And we're just using the small mold, we're not using the large mold. And then we're going to cure this now for 180 seconds and then turn it over and cure the back side for 180 seconds. All right, so they're almost done curing, and then we can remove them from the mold. Ooh. And you can see the facets. It's a pretty silver color. And of course, I almost forgot, you know, we need the grommets for this. And I have enough to make 5 beads. So we're going to make 2 more. And then when those are done, I'm going to come back and we're going to put the grommets on. And I did have to change the style of the necklace. The rope necklace had too big of an end. And this is sterling silver also, but this is just a regular chain. So we'll use that. The other chain I couldn't get the, I definitely could have gotten these on there, but I couldn't get the spacers on there, so that's why I switched chains. So I want something that kind of moves around and flows on my neck. So, all right, so let me get the other 2 done and we'll be right back. All right, so next we're going to put in the grommets. I'm just going to put a little bit of UV resin on the side here. And I'm just going to place it around, just a little bit around the rim there, and then on the inside, and then I'm just going to pop the grommet in like that. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then pop this one in. And I'm going to do it for the rest of them. And then I'll come back and show you how to put the necklace together. Hello, I'm back. I forgot to tell you to cure these for at least 90 seconds on each side. These are all cured and ready to go. This is the chain that I'm using, because the chain actually fits through those. The only thing I have to do is take off that little jump ring at the end. Just slide one of these on. Slide one of these through. Just keep going. It's a real easy process to do. And it goes rather quickly. Okay, this time it does want to go through. Oh, there we go. That one. What I'm doing is as it goes through, I just drop my thumb down and hold it and let the bead just go onto the chain. Drop it down like that, hold it, and then drop it down like that on the chain. Okay, so let's see. Move it carefully. There we go. And then just get the jump ring, place it back on. These are very tiny chains. And let's see, I need 2 pairs of pliers to get this closed up. Okay. So now we got all the beads on there. And there you have a really pretty necklace. And I had some leftover resin, so I made these earrings. Now they don't exactly match, but the color does match, and I thought that would be a nice, you know, accent piece, or you could wear them separately. You don't have to wear them together. I used this mold once before when I used my gold crushed glass. All the links for the molds and anything I used will be in the description box. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.